Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the Robuilder YouTube channel. Today we're back with our 60-second series, and I'm going to show you guys how to make an egg. Easter was yesterday or the day before. I'm not sure when I'm going to upload this, but you know, close enough. And a lot of people still make simulators, so eggs are pretty relevant. So let's hop right in. I'm going to spawn in a UV sphere. Okay, go to our vertice select mode, which we are already on. This right here. Press 1, press O on our keyboard. This is going to turn on proportional editing. You can also click this little thing right up here. Then you're just going to press G to grab. You can make this bigger or smaller, and we are going to scale this on the Z axis. So if you just press G to grab, you're not going to go straight up or straight down. If you press G and then press Z, you're going to be all good, okay? And you can adjust this to kind of make it like more of whatever kind of egg shape just by scrolling your mouse, all right? Now this is an egg. There we go. If we want it a little bit more low poly, like this is all right, but could be better. First things first, shade smooth makes it look a ton better. And if we go to our modifiers, we can add a decimate modifier right here and turn its ratio down until you're happy with it. So of course, don't make it a triangle, but you know, just wherever you are to get happy with it. Your tries will go way down if you add decimate, and there's not too much of a difference. But that is how to make an egg in 60 seconds. Hopefully you did enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.